Welcome to the channel. Today's question is, in the following Newman's projection for 2,2 dimethylbutane, X and Y can respectively be. Dear aspirants, to this question, examiner wanted to check your application skill in conformational isomerism concept. We have to select more than one right options. Let us start the solution. First, we need to write structure of the given compound 2,2 dimethylbutane. C. This is structure of the given compound 2,2 dimethylbutane. In this compound, identify types of CC single bonds. See, this single bond is between primary and secondary carbons. Let it as A type of axis, and this single bond is between secondary and tertiary carbons. Let it as B type of axis, and these three single bonds are between primary and tertiary carbons. Let them as C type of axis. It is C axis, it is C axis, it is also C axis. Therefore, in the given structure, we have three types of axes, A, B, and C. Now relate each axis with a given Newman projection formula. Now take A axis, this is A axis. On that, consider two carbons. On one carbon, there are three hydrogens. That means on this carbon, there are three hydrogens. On this carbon, two hydrogens and one tertiary butyl group is there. Two hydrogens and one tertiary butyl. C. Two hydrogens and one tertiary butyl. Relate both carbons with carbon front and back side carbons of the Newman formula. This is front carbon, on that groups are two hydrogens and X. If you take it as front side carbon, on this carbon there are two hydrogens and one more hydrogen is X. So X can be hydrogen. And if you take it as backside carbon, on that carbon there are two hydrogens, but here two methyls are there. That means given Newman formula is not related to A axis. Now consider B axis. This is B axis. On this carbon, groups are two hydrogens and one methyl. Two hydrogens and one methyl. On this carbon, methyl, methyl, methyl. Three methyls are there. Three methyls. Now this carbon is matching with the front side carbon. This carbon. Why? Because here and there two groups are hydrogens. One more group is methyl here. Here X. That means X can be methyl. X can be methyl. And it is matching with the backside carbon of the Newman formula. Why? Because here and there are two methyls, but one more group is methyl here. Here Y. Therefore, Y can be methyl. Similarly, consider C axis. On C-axis, on this carbon, groups are methyl, methyl and ethyl. On one carbon, groups are two methyls and ethyl. On this carbon, groups are three hydrogens. This carbon is matching with front side carbon of the Neumann formula. Here and there are two hydrogens. One more group is H here, but here X. Therefore, X can be H. And it is matching with the backside carbon of the Neumann formula. Here and there are two methyls. One more group is ethyl here. There Y. So Y can be ethyl. That means given Neumann projection formula is written for B and C axis but not to the A axis. Now check the options. X can be H, that is found in A and B options. But Y is ethyl, so that is found in B option. And try to check one more option. X is methyl, Y is methyl, that is found in option D. Therefore, B and D are right options.